St Catherine's College is one of the largest and youngest colleges in Oxford, built in the 1960s. About 3 years ago, we had to close majority of our campus to address the presence of RAAC, and therefore we had an urgent need to build temporary buildings. Therefore, we had built the Riverside Lecture Theatre and Seminar Rooms just behind me. The Riverside Lecture Theatre and Seminar Rooms exceeded expectations in terms of appearance and functionality. Our first impression of the building was that it is not temporary. It looks far more permanent, the high quality finishings and the kit out of certain elements that match that of the college, such as the carpets that were matched to the college, the painting of the walls. Having just planned to have it for 9 months and we're now in our 3rd year, I've been impressed by the durability of the building. The structure was to provide a high-quality teaching and lecturing environment, and with the modular and tiered seating such as behind me, it truly created a lecture theatre experience, together with the lighting, the acoustics, the adaptable AV, the staging, as well as fast Wi-Fi, air conditioning and adaptable breakout rooms. It allowed us to cater for a variety of activity. The structure also allows us to accommodate a variety of alternate events such as conferences. In the breakout rooms, it allows us to accommodate workshops, networking sessions and other events that's not necessarily always academically aligned. There were a number of challenges we faced. As you can see, we're very closely to the main college buildings. The site is very compact and logistically it was quite a challenge to get 140 tons worth of equipment delivered and constructed on site. Nevertheless, we managed to achieve that in 6 weeks despite the challenges. The working relationship with Neptunus was excellent from the beginning. From planning to the execution of the product in a very tight time scale and also in a very compact site, to delivering a high quality product, problem solving and managing adverse weather conditions, Neptunus had been incredibly supportive and a great pleasure to work with.